So far in our trip up the chakra system, we have been operating in the realm of popular religion, the first 3 chakras. To enter what Joe calls the field of properly religious life, we must move up to level 4, the level of transformation.
This is chakra 4, and this is at the level of the heart, the sacred heart of Jesus. Jesus, as Leopold Bloom says in Ulysses, with his heart on his sleeve. Anahata, and that means not hit. Ana is not, hata is hit. What this refers to is the sound that is not made by any 2 things striking together. Sound of my voice, any sound you hear is made by 2 things striking together, the voice, the air on the larynx cord. What is the sound that is not made by any 2 things striking together? It is Om. It is the sound of the energy of the universe of which all things are manifestations. The energy is what underlies all the forms, E equals mc squared. And the sound of that energy is said to be Om. Now, Om can be written in Roman letters either as O-M or as A-U-M. O in Sanskrit is analyzed into A and U. A-U-M, the 4-element syllable. The 4 elements are A, U, M, and the silence out of which Om comes and back into which it goes. The Indians will always recognize that ground in silence, in infinite, in transcendent, in the void. Kali. Om pronounced starts in the back of the mouth, then fills the mouth cavity, oo, and closes at the lips, When properly pronounced, you have made all the noises. And so all words are simply fragments of Om. Just as all the images of the broken forms of the world are fragments of the form of forms, so all words are fragments of Om. Om is the sound of the radiance of God.